Hello there and welcome back to my videos. In this video we want to speak about the number formatting in Python Babel, and it will be a very short video because number formatting in Babel is pretty straightforward. So I hope you enjoy this, and let's going ahead so it's not to be too big and you just listen to me to speaking. Import the Babel and then the numbers, and then import format decimal. That's what we need. Whoops. And then we need to format the percent, and then we're going for a number, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. That's what we need. And locate, that's what we have to do first, and I will do this in the USA and format decimal, and then we need the number, and we need to locate here and in US, and then we need the one here to DK, that's the Danish way, Denmark. And then we can see in the US you will use the comma as 1000 separator and the dot as decimal separator. In Denmark we do the different. We use the dot as 1000 separator and the comma as decimal separator. And that's very important if you're working with numbers, because if you're sending the number to one guy here in Denmark and you have, let's say, 1, comma 234 and nothing else, then we in Denmark will thinking, that's 1.223 in a decimal, but in the US it's 1000, so it's a huge difference if you're working with numbers. So that's why it's very good to know. And if you are working with a website in Denmark and need it to the customer in US, then you need to have control over that. So let's to manipulate a little bit so it could be a little more fine. You can do this. Whoops. Let's call it customer number format. And down below here we want to say format decimal. And then we have a number again. It's equal to number. Yeah, let's do this so it's looking much more pretty. And then we need the format. In the format here we say, this one I'll explain it just a little bit. In this case, locate DA. In this case we want everything on the left on the comma, and then we need 2 decimal 0. That means we have 3 decimal, and then we need a dot, so it's a comma separator, the decimal separator, and then we only need 2 decimals. So if I run this, it should be something like 57 maybe. Let's try it out. And yes, that's true. And we can do something else funny. You can remove this and say DA, and we can run it again, and you can see we have it without any kind of decimal. So if you only need the number and calculate with, let's say in this case I want to calculate and have the numbers response back, so we can call this a strip to clean inch, and this would be changed to 2 decimals. So that's meaning you can change the format based on the output. This one will be like if you want the clean decimal and you don't need any kind of numbers, you can do this and say this way, and then I have 2 numbers with me, and you can see the comma here because we have in Danish, then it will be a comma, if I change it to English, then it should be a dot, and here we go, then we can have it to the float format. But let's copy this line and do it in English. Script to clean float format, but we already have it up here. But let's play, we don't have it, and you have it here. So that's how it's working. I really hope you love this video, and I'm sorry it's to being so short. But yeah, you can find more on the Babel documentation how you can work with numbers. So this is your first step. So I hope you enjoy. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoy and you subscribe my channel. If you don't know how to do this, you can go below in the right corner and press on the ding. And of course, you can download this this code from GitHub, and you can follow me on GitHub too if you want. And I really hope you like this video and share it with your friends. And of course, if you want, add it for a playlist, then you can find it when you need it. And that's it. Thank you so much, and hope to see you next time. Bye bye.